Welcome to the Metals Daily News brought to you by Metals Update, the driving force behind your business. I am Neha Kamble from the Mumbai office on 20th of July 2017. Aluminium has been among the better performing industrial metals this year. Aluminium prices are increasing in 2017 due to improved market sentiment, and its market outlook looks decent with the better demand environment from China. On the supply side, there have been no major smelter restarts outside China. Also, it is expected that Chinese aluminium production will decrease later this year due to plant capacity curtailments in the country. LME aluminium forwards also increased due to positive market sentiments induced by the release of policy decisions by the Bank of Japan and European Central Bank. Prices have improved by 0.52% month to date. The aluminium stocks in LME warehouses decreased by 6,525 tons on Thursday, taking them back towards this week's 9-year low. The aluminium stocks at LME have decreased by 38%, showing robust demand of aluminium. Anglo-American company stated that their nickel production increased by 2% as a result of stable performance in their smelting operations at Barro Alto, running slightly above nominal capacity during the second quarter. Whereas production from Codemin mine decreased by 4% to 2,200 tons due to maintenance in May 2017. The company keeps full year production guidance unchanged at 43,000 to 45,000 tons. The company also released its production report for second quarter of 2017, where it states that exports of metallurgical coal decreased by 19% to 4 million tons. The impact of Cyclone Debbie on the Queensland Rail Network resulted in operational delays with a net impact on saleable production of 0.6 million tons in the quarter. Thermal coal production for export decreased by 8% to 4.1 million tons in South Africa due to operational challenges at various mines. Hindustan Zinc has decreased zinc prices by Rs 1200 per metric ton today. Special high grade is now priced at Rs 2,05,900 per metric ton as compared to Rs 2,07,100 per metric ton at the Tarapur stock point on 17 July 2017. Hindustan Zinc has decreased lead prices by Rs 2,000 per metric ton today. Lead of 99.99% concentration is now priced at Rs 1,74,300 per metric ton as compared to Rs 1,76,300 per metric ton at the Tarapur stock point on 17 July 2017. Hindalco has decreased prices of its aluminium product by Rs 1,500 per metric ton effective from 19 July 2017. Metals Update assess offers of MS scrap from the Mandi Gobindgarh market at Rs 19,000 per ton. Offers of MS ingot at Mandi Gobindgarh are currently quoted at Rs 28,000 per ton, while at Raipur and Bhiwadi the offers have been recorded at Rs 25,100 and Rs 26,900 per ton respectively. Dubai origin copper wire bars are available for sale at $6,285.41 on FOB basis Dubai. Aluminium ingots and aluminium foil of Chinese origin is being offered at $2,112 and $2,612 per ton on FOB basis China. Thank you for listening. Join me again tomorrow for the latest updates from the metals market. Visit metalsupdate.com for more information and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.